So when you log into your Canvas account and click on this class, which you will see in your dashboard as Math A, and the CRN for this class is 44439 for Online Math A. And then you'll be brought here to the home page, and there's not much here. The announcements are listed here, and assignments are the next button. So the assignments button is where you're going to come to upload your assignments from my math lab that involve writing on paper with pencil. So they're mostly graphing. You'll see graphs for section 2.7, 3.1, and so on. And then the one section I want to see your work for is 5.6, which is polynomial long division. So I want to see the work for those problems. So when you come to this assignment section, you'll click on the name of the assignment that matches to the assignment you're turning in. You'll see some detailed instructions, so please take a moment to read them. And there's a lot of details that I want to see, and they're required for getting full credit on the graphs. You can have as many tries as you like to get the graphs done. I'll give you feedback, and then you can have a chance to resubmit. And so sometimes it takes a few tries at the beginning when you're figuring out what it is that I want, and then usually the graphs get better and better and better. So I really like this way of seeing your graphs and being able to give you feedback on them. So that's what you're going to find under the assignments section. And then this is also where you're going to find the mastery demonstrations. They aren't loaded yet, but this is where I'll be putting them. And they will be written documents that you can look at on your computer screen, but then you're going to handwrite the results and send them to me. So this is where you will upload and send them. Most people find it the easiest to upload by using their phone to take a picture. Please make sure you take a nice clear picture with good lighting to make it easier for me to see. And you can check once you've uploaded, you can look at your upload and make sure that it's very clear. So please take a moment to do that and take another picture if it didn't turn out well. So the files button is the next one here, and that's like a file cabinet where I have just put all the documents for the course. So there's the schedule, the step-by-step instructions, the syllabus, and so on. And I've also put some sample schedules here for you, and I'll go through those when I talk about my math lab and the course documents there, but know that all the course documents are also here in Canvas. Then People is a pretty cool button in Canvas where you can see everyone in your class. Well, you can't actually see them, and this is an online class, so in fact you'll probably never see each other unless you make special arrangements to meet up at the math lab, say, or at a Starbucks. But anybody who has put a picture here, you can see them. And if you don't have a picture here, feel free to add a picture. It's called an avatar, and you can personalize your account. You can put your dog or a little graphic that says something fun about you. So feel free to do that, and so your classmates can see a little bit about you. So notice that I can see the last activity, the last time you went into this Canvas class and looked around, and then you can see each other and you can message each other from this people page. So that's pretty cool. You don't need to know somebody's email address or phone number. You can just come into Canvas and click on their name, and it will send a message to them through Canvas. So you can talk to each other via Canvas very confidentially and not have to worry about giving out personal information. I will be using Starfish for this class. So Starfish is called an early alert system. What you're going to see is my side of it. So I can raise what are called flags to just say I'm really concerned about this student and I've tried to contact them and work things out, and I don't seem to be connecting with them, so can you please help? And if you are struggling in more than one class in particular, or if you're part of a special program, you will definitely hear from a counselor, and we really want to help you earlier rather than later. So that's why it's called an early alert system. So you may get occasional email from Starfish either saying I'm worried about you or hey, great job. The other button you'll see here is tutor.com online tutoring. This is a great resource. Sierra College has paid for each and every student that wants it to have 8 hours of free online tutoring. And I've had more than one student tell me that it was actually very helpful. There's a live tutor 24/7 available so that you can chat with somebody, and it's a live chat, and you can tell them what you're working on and they can help. So it often only takes a few minutes to get unstuck from a math problem with some help. So please take advantage of this. The college has paid for it, so you might as well. So this is for all of your classes. So each of your classes, if their Canvas site is activated, you should see this tutor.com button. But as you can see, even from this math class, if you needed help with your English class, you could still get that through this portal. This is really just a portal to the tutor.com people. So you can use it for any of your subjects that you're taking, and you have 8 hours of tutoring time available. So I'm hoping that you'll take advantage of that. So that's all that I have in the Canvas course and what we'll be using it for. So again, on the home page, there's not much, mostly assignments to put the graphing assignments from my math lab, the files where I put documents so you can get to them easily, and the people so that you can contact the people in your class. So I'm hoping that Canvas will be a good tool for you to use, and I'm always open to feedback, and I'm interested in hearing how it's working for you. So I can't wait to get started. Let's go.